Now, we can also look at this from the short-term holder perspective. This is this hot ball of money, let's call it, that follows price around. It's measuring only coins acquired in the last 155 days. Now, I mentioned before that some of these metrics are going to be much, much faster. And as a result, you're going to have a lot more noise in the signal, but it's also going to be the first one to respond. So we see our slice down below the 1 year moving average on the short-term MVRV here in 2017 and again in 2021, basically as we came off the all-time high. So the AVIV is going to be a little bit slower or a bit further into the bearish trend by the time this one triggers, whereas short-term holder MVRV will be very responsive. We essentially flipped over its 1 year moving average as we came off that $64,000 peak when Coinbase had their direct listing. Right? I think we were trading somewhere about 14,000, just coming off the 20,000 all-time high when it flipped over. Now, it's important to note that we do have these retests throughout. So again, during that market uptrend, we can essentially use the AVIV to calibrate. Are we in a bull market, long-term, high time frame? And as a result, how do we read those signals on the more active and faster short-term MVRV? So these things often work hand in hand and really help us understand the mechanics of what's going on in a combined picture, right? No analysis is complete with one single metric. It's about just understanding what is the big picture doing and then zooming in depending on what your particular preference is.